Tish 21.
That is crazy.
When you load up third gear and the
holy shit. What a fucking gangster car, right?
Yeah, man. Oh,
what a car.
That's dumb.
God.
That's disgusting.
Bro, and it's spinning and you're just playing
You're
with
playing
it.
with it.
So
It's at the hips.
fucking-
It's at the hips and in the fingertips.
So gangster.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what a car. Alright, later, boy.
Yeah.
DCT?
No, it's MCT, but they just reprogrammed it way better than my car. See how you get the loaded sound out of it?
Mm-hmm.
Like, you short shift it and you load up the following gear.
Yeah.
You see that? You can like learn to give characteristics of the sound that like normal people don't know how to fucking do with the car.
You can tell this. I mean, yo, bro, AMGs are drift machines.
It's
right?
just like. This transmission.
It's clean.
Wow.
That's a good auto. A good auto is like, bro, you can forget about manual. Right?
Look at that.
Oh, that sound.
Like,
Yeah, the downshifts are
oh, I need this car in my life.
That's wild. Bro, that is a perfect V8 sound.
This is the best car in the
That's
world.
a perfect V8.
Like, what else are you gonna drive that feels like this? There's nothing. Get the fuck in the car right now.
Why?
Get in the car, get in the car, get in the car.
So
The
fucking
transmission is fucking incredible.
Yeah.
Like the way,
Yeah,
bro, the
bro,
response on the gearing.
Downshift sound nice.
Bro, this fucking car, man.
Man drove this car stock for 60K.
Who buys these things and
Yeah,
drives
bro.
stock? What are you doing?
Fucking fried.
This car is absolutely fucking.
That's what car is.
See that loaded sound?
Yeah. After all this ripping and heat soaking and shit, eh? You're just a gangster.
Nah, that noise.
Nah, that's gangster.
Slap it like DJ Nemo.
Don't chat to me!
Wild.
Throw any M4 in the garbage. Take your G89 and a half, bro. Like,
The way we've
miss
been
me
roasting
with that.
beavers is fucked.
Oh my god.
What a car, Daniel.
This is
Wow.
nasty.
It's the best thing you've ever bought.
Yeah.
Fuck.
This thing is fucking nasty.
Like, I live for this.
Yeah.
Wow. This is crazy.
This just changed everything for me, bro.
Yo, I know a guy at Benz. Eh?
Oh. Look at this tranny. Look.
Yeah, it's insane.
Bro, that is violent.
Yeah,
Holy fuck.
He makes it look easy. This car
It's actually
will
extremely-
fuck you up
It'll
if you don't
spit
know what
you
you're
out.
doing. Yeah.
It will f***ing spit
He makes
you
it look
out.
easy. Like, oh, bro, anyone can hop in and do that. Right?
Oh my god.
Bro, that's like 2K RPM.
That what?
Yeah, bro.
Hold on.
This car is
Let's go.
stupid.
Hold on. What kind of ass fucking shit is this?
Yeah.
Oh shit! This is what you're saying these days?
Sure.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's loud, eh?
Yeah, it's fucking loud as shit.
Oh my god!
That's fucking
How
loud.
is this stock?
Yeah, I gotta make it look dramatic. Doesn't sound like a leak, eh?
What are you hearing though?
I don't know, bro.
I just hear dirty fucking V8,
yeah,
bro.
yeah. Nah, it's like raspy. The thing is I'm picturing like his AMG, your car. It's like throaty. This is more like turbo rasp. Like, look, you hear that turbo rasp?
Yeah.
It's extremely raspy.
Wow, this. I forgot how violent this car was.
Yeah, bro. It's like too refined.
Yeah.
My dad's dick is refined.
Oh my god, this car is scary.
That's fast.
That's whatever.
Yo!
How's the car on the springs?
It's amazing.
Oh my god. Oh, this is actually scary.
Wow.
Like,
But it seems controlled though, like it puts the power down nice.
he has sport traction on.
No, I have full off.
You're off.
shit.
Traction's off.
That's amazing. The train's there. You might as well flip on your train.
That's wild. That keeps pulling too.
Yeah, bro. It's so nice.
Well, this car is mental. Absolutely.
Holy shit. This car is fucked.
Yeah, I thought. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.